Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today in this session, before starting the topic called call by value, you need to write the record for your practical examination. So the programs for your practical examinations are totally 16 that are available to you at last of the SIA group series. So completely we learned some of the practical questions. Remaining we will see when we start regular classes. So before that, in these holidays you need to write the practical all 16 questions in your record. So take the record and start writing of it as soon as possible in this holidays only. So who are not having that SIA group series, you can message me so that or you can share any from any of your friends. So at last lab practical questions heading is there. From that you will be having 16 practical questions, so you can write it there. So let us start today's topic, that is call by value. So as we discussed in the class, the thing that this is a revision class for all the topics which we have discussed. So for call by value, as similar we are passing just a value to the variable. So you can observe here the program is a header file as include stdio.h. So why it is a return type? Why? Because we are not returning any value here. So change is a function name. In change we are having integer data type variable num. Num is a variable of which data type? Integer data type. From that, first we are defining the function here. You can, as we discussed, we can define the function anywhere in the complete program. So here initially we are defining here. So printf statement we have given here, it is given before adding value inside the function num %d num. So after adding num is equal to num plus 100, after adding the value of the function will be num only. Okay, this is a definition. So after this we are starting integer main function. So for a main function here return type is a integer. For main function return type is a integer. In that we are declared a variable x of integer data type, x is equal to 100. So before function call x value will be what? 100 only. So that we are printing using the printf statement. So when we have given a when we are calling a function like by giving a change in arguments just one variable x, so it means what? Passing that value 100 to the variable through the variable x. So that value will be taken by the variable num as it matches the function name. Here change is there also change name function function name is the same. So argument is only one, that is of integer data type. So it matches exactly integer num and also x is of data type integer only. So the value which we are passing is 100 will be stored in what? Num. After calling the function, so num is equal to num plus 100. It means what? In number variable num plus 100, already x value is 100 that is stored in num. Num variable will be added with 100. So totally we will get what? How much? 200. The value of the num variable is what? 200. So after function call x is equal to %d, we are printing x value, we are returning 0. So next after function call if we are printing the value of x will be what? 200. So it is passing and it is getting the value after calling x. Through x only we are printing the value. So as similar as above, this below program is also there, swapping of the value of two variables. As similarly, so wide swap two variables are given. Swapping means what? Interchanging, values are interchanging from one variable to another variable. So here in main function just two variables are given before swapping the values. So percentile a is equal to percentile d, b is equal to percentile d. We have called a swap of a comma b, two variables. So as the function name and arguments are matched, wide swap function will be called. So in swap function we have declared a variable integer temp. So temp is a variable name of integer data type. We are storing temp is equal to a value will be stored in temp. In a value after a, when a becomes empty, b value will be stored in a. When b becomes empty, the temporary value will be stored in b. It means what? Swapping. So after swapping the values of a is equal to %LD and b is equal to %LD, formal parameters will be what? A is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So this is about what? Call by value. Thank you. We will see in the next class.